Hi, my name is Anh Co Tran. Welcome to Curated Cutting. I'm a hairstylist based in LA. I've been doing hair for 25 years. As you guys know, I'm the Global Creative Director for Melbourne, and I also do consultant work for other brands. Here's a little background about myself. I was born in Vietnam. I left Vietnam when I was a little boy as a refugee, and we got sponsored by a church in Austin, Texas. And I always had a love for hair and fashion ever since I was young. Started to go to fashion school and then went to hair school, and I think hair just stuck with me until now. And I've been doing it for 25 years, and I love it. I love every moment of it. I love all the different avenues. I always love the arts. I always love going to museums. I also love culture. So tying all those aspects together really makes me who I am today, with being really detailed in my craft. I teach for Melbourne. I also teach for Curated Cutting as well. And I really love seeing all these different people, meeting all these different stylists. It really helps to inspire me to even be a better educator. Lived In Hair is creating a customized haircut for them. Taking into consideration their lifestyle, their hair texture, I really want to create a haircut that is suitable for them. We created Curated Cutting because we want more of an intimate, hands-on experience to recreate these haircuts. You're gonna leave with the knowledge and confidence of recreating these looks through modular system and also through understanding the anatomy of dry cutting. I'm glad you guys are here. Welcome to Curated Cutting.